Good morning. Good morning. It's another day. Welcome to Daily Vitamin D. This is D here with my accomplice, Jazz. We're just standing under a mango tree. Plans for today, I'm not sure, but I know I have to go do my nails, and then we're gonna go look for grandma. I'm not sure yet. I'm just outside under a mango tree. Look at this lovely, lovely mango tree. Very big, huge. It's like provides so much shade. Let me see if I can rest this camera here. Okay. And I'm trying to do some rounding.
Fire, baby.
We can't make your baby happy. You must ask your sister, say, Candy, please, if you can bathe me, we can make your baby. You have to make your sister.
Look at this nice man gift.
Can one for me second?
She's my girlfriend.
Hi.
Let's see how she does. Yeah. Yeah.
Sort of? You have to get one.
The man in name second. Why them call it second?
Oh, I second to the boss.
Oh. Okay. Him are the boss, right, John? I'm assuming.
Oh no, yes.
So this
She can run
in the
her.
coconut, but
Can
this
you
one
fix
it's
her
hard.
hair?
So
Can you sit down with her door fixing here and do
we
it?
need a spoon or something. Usually we just chop the outside and use it to eat. But today I will be using a spoon. Fingers crossed. This is good hospitality in Jamaica, right? People treat you nice sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
But sometimes I meet some raggedy ass people but we're not talking about them today. Today we're talking about nice people.
Drink nothing more, man. Eat serious, so come over here. So. You don't like it designed or you just like it straight?
Just do something pretty.
Alright, no matter then.
She's the boss. What's in their jam shop?
It's going a little by little.
But if a shop costs money, they can rent your house for free.
No man, I'm also still at this.
Oh, okay. Alright, so right here, so she just file it down and stuff.
Real authentic Jamaican experience.
Voice over because one
never got no bougie shop.
I'm copyright me.
No
so
spa.
Here's that.
Welcome to the real yard nail shop. Yeah. Right there, no worries. And it will do better now when they got them bougie place there, me I tell you. So enough time I got nail shop, spend all this money and it don't look good. What a waste. I'll put Tyrese in a phone and now look on the baby.
Progress.
Our eyes in the shade.
They're cute. Guys, this is my lash tech. So this is me Monday morning, bright and early at 7 something, almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Went to get my hair done because girl, I look good. So this clip is just me showing you guys how she uses the crochet needle, because not everybody did. Some people do palm roll for relock them twists, or something. I don't like palm roll. Palm roll let your pull out too quick. It not serve no time, but that's my personal preference. The earrings of them use them here. Me can't use it. So there's this locking tool I buy on Amazon and I me use. okay, so my father, when me not give you, I don't remember, but at some point, my father said, oh, outside with boys. So, he's like, you know what, you never even get mad, show my father intelligence, you know. In the year or whatever, anytime everybody yelling, then just call my mother phone, because I should just check, then would have probably be able to look at it. But anyway, he's like, listen, when teenagers, girls usually when they start having boyfriends or interest in boys, they start to pay less attention to the books. So I said to him, all right, here's what. How about we make a bet? If you allow me to still talk to these guy friends and still talk to these boys out here, I will prove to you that it will not affect my grades and everything will be the same or will be better. And it's a bet and you have to pay me 112 days. So he's like, all right, bet is on. And that semester, but still do everything same way. And my grades even better than before. So I said to him, say, you see that? What am I tell you say? And he was like, yeah, you prove a point. But then I guess maybe. Well, we never get no pay still, you know. He never give me $1. But we prove the point. Come here and tell him, say, yes, I said, I'm not my body, I'm not interested because the three sisters will make a pact, say, no sex until after high school. So we all remain virgin because the big sister, she was like, gonna follow my footsteps, you know. So she set the trend, me follow the footsteps. Mm-hmm. But anyway, yeah. But I guess I would get the other boyfriend though, where me just also in love with, and my grandmother be like peek through the window, see me and him sit up on the veranda chat. And she will come out and my grandmother be terrible, you know. But the help her hold her back. I said no. She comes to come grab me. Yeah. The help her hold her back and say, no, leave her. When she come inside, you talk to her. So yeah. So him now, him was drama. Him was the drama. He made me end up move at home. Because him turns out, he never be a man. We don't even on the way. He had a girlfriend with on the way. I asked him, I said, do you have children? He's like, no. So when I find out now, I'm going to go to him, I'm going to say, who am I asking if you have kids? You know, I'm the kids because they're not born yet. She not born yet. She on the way. I say, you're messed up for that. Turns out the girlfriend was a police. So, I guess that's why them, you know, let them move or whatever. It's like, listen, we need to get her away from this guy. But they thought I was having sex, but I wasn't. Because them to me, and I see some of them say, and then to me used to eat dirt because obviously me and him can probably just have pike out where you eat other stuff. And him like, the one of them a chat. Oh, you should pregnant. I'm like, so one day me just hold him in the kitchen and I to him say, what's the next? Everybody is wondering. I said, first of all, I'm not even not do nothing. And him like, you not do nothing? I'm gonna say, no, I'm not do nothing. Nothing. Just to make it clear, we are talking a code. Yeah. But it would have fit. I do not want to talk. Yeah, but for them find out what I mean. Because even though I eat cold, they don't put on me all kind of stuff. Mm-hmm. And when you're anemic, you eat all kind of ice. Your body will try. Yeah. Even he used to walk, he never look dirt. Eh? Yeah, it is so good. Yes. He used to walk, he never look dirt. And carrot black fried. Nice red dirt comes into this one. Clean dirt. You know, clean dirt. Yeah, red dirt. So we get a big, nice chunk and put it on a plastic bag and carry up with me. Really just eat. Look at my hair. We look cute. I feel like a new woman. I feel like a new woman. Not like when I hear though. It's a nice fruit, is it? Alright, let's look. It's cutie. I like it. Yeah, see, good morning. Sir. Anyway, you have
Fire, baby.